Right now on our index page, we're using this ternary to decide what to show when the user is logged in or not. It's not exactly ideal. It mixes presentation with logic, and it doesn't scale. A better way to handle this is by re-architecting our app directory, splitting it into two groups of roots, one for when we're logged in, and the other for when we're logged out. We'll call the group for logged in users app, and for logged out users public. This parenthesis notation lets us group roots together without affecting the URL of the root. If I were to move about to the public folder, its root would still be /about. I'll copy our index page into each group. One will be for when we're logged in, the other for when we're logged out. And I'll delete the original file. I can remove the login form from app index and the user info from public. We'll move the profile roots to app and about to public. Each group will be its own stack, so we'll add a layout file to each. In our root layout, which remember is the entry point of the app, we'll control which group the user has access to, with Expo routers stack.protected. It takes a guard prop. When guard is false, child roots are not accessible. So as it's currently written, the app stack is not accessible, and the public stack is. So when we start, the initial root, aka /, is going to match this file. Let's start the server and see for ourselves. So let's use the actual session variable. It crashed. This crash happened because we can only consume a context as a descendant of the provider. To fix that, we'll factor our root stack out as a child of the provider. Here is our newly re-architected app. Since session is initially null, the initial root is public index. Every time we log in or log out, the root navigator just swaps one stack out for the other. We'll remove the nav headers from the root layout and from the index pages. One last thing. When we're logged in, there's no about root. We moved this file to the public folder, and so it's not accessible to us right now. We'll link to profile instead. We now have a solid structure that's ready to hook into a real authentication system.